In the vast universe, gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions ever observed, releasing more energy in seconds than the sun will in its entire lifetime. These bursts occur when massive stars collapse into black holes or during the collision of neutron stars, creating intense jets of gamma rays traveling across the cosmos. Scientists use specialized telescopes to detect these bursts, which often come from billions of light-years away, providing glimpses into the early universe. Gamma-ray bursts remind us of the raw power of the universe, showcasing the dramatic events that shape galaxies and the cosmos itself. Follow us for more on the universe's most extreme phenomena and cosmic wonders.